In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the backup feature found in the Rapyd Dashboard. Backups are important to have in the event that something breaks in your website, and you may need the ability to quickly roll back to a previous backup of your site. From your Rapyd Dashboard, click on the site that you want to manage, then navigate to the Backups tab. At the top of the Backups section, you will find details on your backup schedule, the time of the last backup, and the status of your backup storage. Next to these details, you will find the number of available backups and their specific details, along with options to restore, download, or manually create a new backup. First, let's try to modify the backup schedule. Click on the Change button. A pop-up will appear to select the backup time zone and daily backup time. For example, let's click the drop-down under Backup Time Zone and search for Chicago, and then I can click the result from the drop-down. And we'll set it to 3 a.m. for the daily backup time. This means that every day at 3 a.m. in the Chicago time zone, Rapyd will generate a backup of my site. Then click Save. And we see a confirmation at the bottom left of our screen, showing that the backup schedule has been modified. And it's that easy to configure your backup schedule with Rapyd. Next, let's create a manual backup. Click Create Backup, then a pop-up will appear. Though it's optional, a backup description can be helpful if you have multiple backups on your site, and you want to easily remember the purpose of this backup. Once done, click Create. Rapyd is currently creating a backup of your site. Once the process is complete, a confirmation will appear at the bottom left of your screen. After generating a manual backup, it will be displayed here along with the date and time, a description of the backup and its size. Clicking the three dots next to the file size will give you various options. You can view the details of this backup, restore your site from this backup, or download the backup. And there you have it. Backups are crucial for preserving data and ensuring recovery options in the event of data loss or damage. The Rapyd Dashboard provides a simple and effective way to manage backups for your WordPress site. Prioritize using the Rapyd Dashboard's backup feature to protect your valuable data and to ensure compliance with data protection regulations.